So what if I told you your blood is being suffocated and we can fix it in one session? So today we're going to talk about EBOO, which is extracorporeal blood, ozone and oxygenation. So let me give you a bit of background about ozone, which is actually the base of the EBOO treatment. Ozone therapy has been a proven medical treatment for over 50 years, and it effectively addresses a range of chronic and autoimmune health conditions. As we all know, oxygen is vital for life, and ozone is an alternative form of oxygen, and it also shows that it has huge therapeutic powers. Unlike the 2 oxygen molecules in the air that we're currently breathing, ozone is combined of 3 oxygen atoms, and this is called O3. So once inside the body, ozone reacts at a cellular level, producing a chemical reaction that triggers an antioxidant response and helps detoxify the body. Ozone therapy also helps stimulate the production of new blood vessels, which improves the blood flow in the body, which in turn helps the oxygenation in the body. It also destroys microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungus, mold, and also heavy metals. Ozone therapy increases oxygen to specific areas of the body, effectively reducing inflammation, promoting healing, and helping with associated pain. And the most superior form of ozone therapy is EBOO. Because it's a closed system, the blood is never exposed to outside elements, so this eliminates any possibility of contamination. We insert the needle into each arm, and this creates a loop to transfer the blood from one arm to the other. A specially designed filter is then employed to mix the blood with the ozone, and this filters out the unnecessary components that are in the blood, and any excess oxygen and ozone is allowed to escape through the filter. It's a very relaxing process, and it lasts about an hour, and during this it activates between 35 and 75 cc's of blood per minute, and this is the equivalent of having 60 direct injections of ozone or 20 major autoimmunity single sessions. Our advanced method allows the use of higher ozone concentration without introducing gas into the system, as the gas is effectively channeled through and designed to come out of the filters to ensure the patient's safety. Furthermore, our method features an unparalleled safety measure, which is a clear plastic waste disposal unit to monitor any undesired exposure to the ozone. This proactive approach helps us to avoid any potential issues associated with conventional ozone therapy. If we see any change in colour, which is like normally pink, and we know that the blood has started to break down and we can decrease the rate of ozone or the concentration, in either case the waste then will return to a normal colour. In addition, our EBOO machine effectively removes excess fluid from the blood, allowing for visual monitoring of the extracted components, adding to the accuracy of diagnosing our patients. The filtration is the cornerstone of the EBOO method, which eliminates unwanted blood components. And we witness the removal of plaque in every case, and it's truly remarkable. It provides a unique form of a mechanical chelation and effectively extracting these substances with unparalleled safety and ease. During the normal ozone therapy, ozone will inactivate all of this and the plaques and the toxins. However, it means your filters, i.e. your liver, your kidney, have to do the work, so putting an added strain onto the body. What we have seen is like a black soot to almost everything you can imagine coming out of the tubes in the waste containers. EBOO effectively stimulates your immune system to combat infections, and it's also anti-inflammatory. It basically reduces pain and inflammation, and it significantly improves the quality of life, especially for those people with chronic conditions such as fibromyalgia, Lyme disease, Epstein-Barr virus, and long COVID associated infections. Furthermore, it supports your immune system in autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and alleviates symptoms associated with chronic fatigue syndrome. So EBOO has been used successfully to treat a variety of conditions, including like autoimmune disease, diabetes, long COVID, Lyme disease, you've got hepatitis, you've got herpes, brain fog, which is also associated with like chronic fatigue, controlled bladder conditions, colitis, Crohn's disease, stroke, hypertension, cardiovascular disease and coronary disease, and these are just to name a few.